Hi everyone, this is JRD from Just Right Design. Today I'm going to teach you how to create or make a website about your choosing ideas, about your business pages, about your creative portfolio, and anything else about creating a website. Okay, these are some of the most popular website creation tools available online. Both creation tools offer blogging and free domain name, and it has default or easy to use website content management system or CMS. Users or designers do not need to be a programmers to create a beautiful and pretty much website. Due to simple and easy to use design of content management system. And also there are so many free templates available and ready to use, and another uh, easy development process, you can use online drag and drop tools and copy pasting. I love to suggest these strikingly website creation tools because I find this a simple way to make website that looks beautiful, and you can use it much easier and less time consuming. Okay, so to start, you can go to strikingly.com, spell like this. And before we create, I just want to share something why I love to suggest this website for your website making. Some of the strikingly assumption that their website is trusted by millions of entrepreneurs and creative web developers. There's a lot of testimony that will tell us how easy and simple this website that makes you have a wider viewers or visitors. You can see strikingly used for e-commerce, for personal blog, and have many more features like online store, free domain name. You can also view your analytics, and visitor can sign up and contact you anytime. For social feedbacking, you can post or update, and your viewers or visitor is also do commenting on your post. And Strikingly team is always available 24/7 assistance and much more free features. Okay, just go to strikingly.com and pull you up to make a free account. No, just fill up the form and get started for free. And enter your name and your email. And password. Now, to have a strong password, make it sure it consists of a number, letters, and symbol. Taran! You have now a Strikingly account. And there's also some other way to create Strikingly website account. You can sign up your social media account like Facebook. Just click this blue button, sign up with Facebook. Yan. And continue the process to create Strikingly account, or click this violet button to log in. You can also use LinkedIn account and continue the process, and it automatically link in Strikingly. But I suggest use your email account for first time user. I already make an account, so I'm going to log in button and put my information. So this is what it looks like when you have already done some website. Look, I have one. Yeah, this is my website portfolio using Strikingly. Yan. And I can also make another or multiple website for free using the same account. No, everything I will show you today is for free. But if you want to continue this website and enjoy some features, you can upgrade your account and purchase some Strikingly features. Kasi some features of this website creations tools are limited for those free or non-pro account. Yan. If you purchase some Strikingly feature, you can custom your domain name, adding pages, and adding design to make much more beautiful website. I'm going to create a new site. I just click this green button to create. Yan. And what I'm going to show to you is a bunch of options for free templates. No, templates make us easy to make a website. You can also look at different suggested categories. For let's say if you want to make a business, or if you are creating for personal profile or blog, yeah, you can use anything template you want. So if you click any template, it will appear start editing and view example or preview or how it look like after publishing. And if you like this template, you can be able to edit. So there are a lot of ways to start your website. In my preference, I want to make a website for my portfolio. No, no, to get some clients and offer my services like social media manager and web developer, a virtual assistant, and as a graphic and art design. No, I choose I choose this template, Equinox, for my website, and I will blow it up and make make this presentable to my visitor. Now just click the green button and start editing. Yan. Welcome to site editor of strikingly website. Next, before we start and change the content, let's be familiarized first to the parts of strikingly. In the left corner is the dashboard or the window editor. You can see the styles, the ad store, audience, settings, sections, external links, preview in desktop and in laptop, and publish button, exit, take me a tour, language, and light mode. Now, if you are first time user, you can use the editor's help, or you can just click this take tour, and editor assistant will assist you in order for you a to create a website. Next, in upper part portion, we can change our layout. Make it small or change the height, the spacing, and the content if you want to be normal or in wide view, and save it. Yeah. Next, if you decided to change your template after already signed in or started creating a website, or you are typically change your mind, that is totally fine. It is better to change the styles of your website. You don't need to start it over again. Or start it again and spend a lot of time if you already done na sa website. Just click the style button and choose or change template you want. I decided to change the template. Hanap tayo ng babagay. So I think this is okay for my portfolio website or for my blog website. And click switch in this template. Okay, to start, I will open first my ready-made content for my website. Yes, before you make a website, you need to create first a draft of what you want your website have. For instance, my this is my branding kit for my website portfolio. I will copy and paste it to my website. For example, welcome. And my welcome note. The easiest thing to edit is to have your mouse over anything you want to edit and double click, and you can actually type in over what you want to or what you would like to say. And you can also just what I make, I copy and paste process. And You can also highlight and make it bold or change the color. Highlight and change the color. Yan. 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 If you don't want the text, you can delete it or change it. Yan. You can do that process in some of the button and edit and allow you to change, edit the text, or you can also adding a link. You can do that process in some of the button and edit and allows you to change and edit the text. Yeah, that's the way how to insert and edit text. Next, on the template, everything here will appear on the one page or on the same page. So if you just scroll through, you can see everything you made all section is on the one page. And each section has elements. You can also freely to change that elements for your section. And the tab is located at the top or in the side of your website. Now, if you click the home tab, it takes you to the home page. And all templates have traditional pages on a website. There's usually have home, about us, contact us, blog, etc. All of this section is lined up is also the section on the website. If you want to delete a section, just click or press the X symbol for deleting the section. For example, and if you want to back the section, just or undo. So if you erase something or delete something, but you want to stay it in your website, just click the undo. You can also rename the section name. For example, for my section, I want to have home. Maybe I want to keep this and I want to have a about me. Just double click and rename about me. And I want to have section for my certificates and section for my work with me, section for my contact me. Okay, if you want to rename something else, go to the setting button and click and rename. And if you want to add section, you can click add section and add new section. And here are the template for different section. If you want to add a store, a blog, a profile, or embed something adding social media, you can upgrade. Now, some of the section I see added in some website that in strikingly is they add for blog and profile. You have choice to add your section. Now we are done in renaming all section, and you will see all your changes in section will appear on the top or on the tab of your website. We have home, about me, certificates, work with me, contact me. Yan. Then if you have an existing logo or picture, you can just drag or a file or upload the file. For example, just click the edit for you to change the image and replace or remove, or image editor we need to replace. As you can see, you can use strikingly library. So strikingly also have a library where you can choose different images or icon. They have social media logo also. But in this moment, we need to upload our profile picture or logo. For example, I have profile picture. Yeah. For the background, no, the background is not related to my title pages. So I want to change that to an image or video related to my website brand. So I click the background. Just click the little box and will drop down. Some some option you will make in changing the background. You can upload image. For example, you have a image prepared using some graphics and arts design apps or software. For example, you have an image done using Canvas, Photoshop. You can upload. Just click the upload image. You- or video file. You can embed a video from your social media or from your YouTube account. Just copy the URL and upload, or use the strictly video library. Same with those strictly image library. And if you don't have an image prepared, I also recommend to use Strikingly, beautiful library of photos and video. No, these photos is taken by professional photographer, and you have a license to use it. You can also browse or search a photo you want. Just type in the search box, and click any photo you want to change the background. Or if you have an image, you can upload your image. Go to upload new image, browse your computer or drag here. Just drag and drop here, or upload it into your website. I use GIF for my background. It's more lively when the visitors see your website, and it's more creative. So you can also create a GIF format for the background. Just do the same process. If you want to add title, you can also have that title. I will change my mind. If you change your mind and change the layout, just copy and paste. Now, this is for your home pages, and let's try to edit the about me. The name, change the image, place. You can also highlight the text and make it center, or make it align left or align right, or make it justify. It's up to your design. You can also highlight the text and make it bold, underline, change the size, font size. Yeah. For the about me section, and I'm done for my about me section. Just copy, paste your ready-made content. And for my certificates, if you want to put your certificates, just do the same process in uploading an image. Same process. For example, I already upload to my Striking Free library. Work with me. Let's say this is for just right design services. I will just copy and paste my highlight, and you can also adjust the size, make it italic or have underlines, or have underline. and put description. For the sake of this tutorial, no, I make it fast. I do the same process, copy and pasting and highlighting and edit text, adjust font and size and style, make it bold, italic and underline. You can also use Control B for bold, Control underline for Control U for underline, for Control I for italic. You can also add item if you want to add some detailed on your services, or you need to show some testimonial about your services, like uh, website creation, logo making. Yeah, you just add item. Now, as you can see, the strikingly adjusts for my style. So he recommended this layout in order to be justify and more look pleasant to the viewers. I'm done with my services. Next to my contact with me. So for my contact information, I will use my social media account. And I use Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. So I will use the Strikingly Library social media icon for the social media logo. No, I have meron na. I want to say the logo for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, for my email account, okay. For if you want to change these icons, just click edit and more icons to change. And I want my LinkedIn account. And if you want to change the color of the logo, you can also pick the edit and change the icon. Blue for FB, blue for Twitter, blue for LinkedIn. So how to add link in your, how to add, just click edit also and add link. And copy the URL of your social media account. Save. Link for Instagram. Save. Link for Twitter. Add link, save. And for my email, add text. Add and save. And for my LinkedIn, and you can also add item or social media account and change the icon, what social media you want to add. For me, my YouTube account, and add my social media account. Yan, where my visitor can contact me anytime using my social media account. Yeah, to double check if your website is saving all your changes, just check the save now. And if you click the preview, if you click this button for preview, it will give you a preview of what your website looks like or looks when the people view your website. Yeah, this is a good way to check your viewers view. If you click the style, it's your way to change your template style. Yeah, for example, this, kulang-kulang pa ako ng picture. You can add picture for your homepage, about me, some details, and delete some section you don't need to be seen in your website. Delete some, see some errors and change it in your website editor page. And you can also add some design for you to be, for your website to be more or much more prettier and presentable to the eyes of the viewers. And going back to the website editor, you can also change the colors, font size, and the themes of your website. Just go to the styles and change the colors scheme. I will use my color palette. My font style for my title page, I want to use Source Code Pro. And Roboto for my heavy text and button text. Next, to access your account, just go to the setting. Now, in the settings, you can able to change your domain name. No, strikingly, is automatically gives you a URL and typically looks like this. There's a lot of letters and number which is super hard for people to remember. So you can also custom your domain name for free. Just type your domain name, JRD, just write design, PH. And check if this link is available. And I think my domain name is available. No, if you have to check if this available, if you see have a check mark, meaning you are freely to use it. Like this. Oh. And you want to remove the mystrikingly.com default URL, that you need is to upgrade your account. Honestly, I haven't had trouble with using this link. So I decided not to buy domain name. The people or your visitors can access your website using this URL. You can also edit your basic information if you want to use your brand name. And put some site little description about you. And you can also put a category where the search engine is able your website to be searched. For me, I use this website for portfolio. Yan. And all changes in setting, don't forget to save. Yan. Now, if you are done editing and designing your website, don't forget to save and publish your website. Always click publish to make changes to your website. No need to upgrade, no, just publish for free site. Yan, check your URL, your title and category if correct. Continue and publish now. Copy the URL and you are done to make a website using Strikingly. Yan. And we are done. So this is our final product of website creation using Strikingly. Yan, I'm waiting to see what website that you can create or make on this beautiful and easy website creation tools. If you have any question, always ask and chat with me or comment down below. This is for today. Bye for now. Again, this is JRD from Just Right Design. And don't forget to visit my Strikingly account and to connect with me.